Dora the Explorer, Dora's Thanksgiving. Hola, I'm Dora. Today is Thanksgiving. We are going to have a big meal with my family and friends. Do you know who I am most thankful for? They are two people in my family, and they take care of me every day. Who are they? I am most thankful for my mommy and papi. Today I'm helping them get ready for our Thanksgiving dinner. I help my mommy bake these pies. There's another person in my family who I am thankful for. She is older and she tells me stories about my mommy when she was a little girl. It's me, Abella. Abella teaches me about all sorts of things. I love her a lot. We are having Thanksgiving dinner at Abuela's house today. I get to carry the pies. Do you have someone special in your family that you are thankful for? Who is it? I have a very good friend that I am thankful for. He likes to go on adventures with me. He lives in a treehouse and has a long tail. Do you know who it is? It's my friend Boots. Come on, Boots. You can help me carry these pies to Abuela's house. I have another friend that I am thankful for. I carry her everywhere. Anything I need, she has inside for me. In Spanish, I call her mochila. Do you know who it is? It's Backpack. She can speak Spanish and English just like me. I have a friend who always helps me find my way. He lives inside Backpack's pocket. Do you know who it is? It's Map. I am thankful for Map. Anywhere I need to go, Map helps me get there. Do you have a friend that you are thankful for? Who's your friend? Wait, I think I hear Swiper the fox. He will try to swipe our pies. Do you see Swiper? If you see him, you have to say, "Swiper, no swiping." We did it! That Swiper is always trying to swipe our stuff. I am really thankful that we stopped Swiper. Look! All my friends and family are here. It's almost time for Thanksgiving dinner. Before we begin eating our Thanksgiving meal, everyone talks about what they are thankful for. I am thankful for so many things. My family and friends, and the sun and the moon, and flowers and adventures, and... Oh, I just thought of one more friend who I'm very, very thankful for. I'll give you a hint. This person always helps me. This person comes on adventures with me. And this person is looking at this book right now. Do you know who it is? It's you! Gracias for being my friend. Happy Thanksgiving! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram. See you next time.